The topic is radio access network operation and maintenance. So we actually have a big topic in Aura, which is Open Run. But just to clarify, Open Run is not a new technology, but it is an industry approach how to build the radio access network. So in terms of technology, the standardization in LTE or 5G or 3G, referring to the RAN build or architecture between traditional RAN and Open RAN will refer to the same standard. So talking about Open RAN is actually talking about the different method or industry approach. Pak Wirawan, could you please mute your... Okay, thank you. So in terms of maintaining, having operation and maintenance, it will be the same between RAN traditional and Open RAN. So we have 3 sessions in plan. Session 1 is already delivered on 27 July. Session 2 already delivered on 10 August. And today we will have RAN troubleshooting. Okay, this is just to refresh. Just like any other device, the RAN has indicator, LED indicator. It can be flashing, it can turn the color, and it can be steady. The orange flashing lights indicating that this RAN is waiting for backhaul to set up. Flashing green light, the status ready. The green light fixed or steady, it means that RAN is in service. This is what we can see physically by our eyes about the equipment status. But you can imagine if you have BTS, if you have RAN deployed in the field, in the rural area, in the metro area, you cannot see this indicator directly, which means you need another way to monitor the status of the equipment. Okay, and this is again, I present the end-to-end solution on this case, on the setup in the lab. It's quite different with the standard architecture. For the standard architecture, we have upper side. We have several E-Node-B or 4G BTS here. Each of it have IP address 1, 2, 3, 4, and it has dedicated connection. Go directly to the core network via S1 connection. So in this architecture, for simplifying the case, because everything is already in IP base, we just need to know IP address of circle number 1 and circle number 2. Circle number 1 means the IP address of each E-Node-B. Circle number 2 means the IP address of core network. So if something happened in between, in the line of S1 link, we can do basic check like we did with our computer when it is having problem with internet connection. You will try to ping google.com, ping youtube.com, something like that to do basic examination about the problem. And then you can locate where is the problem coming from. Yeah. We will come with this basic approach. So everyone with that don't have basic knowledge on telco can also understand and also relate. So it is as easy as 1, 2, 3, we can say, and as simple as like you do just ping test on examining the end-to-end problem. What you need to do is now understanding first the basic and standard architecture E-Node-B sitting here, having their own IP address connected directly to the core network. It's S1 connection. Okay, and then on the part and below, this is our lab setup, open run solution from parallel wireless, little bit different. The architecture is a little bit different. This is inode B. It has IP address for each inode B, same like this, but it is aggregated in the run aggregator. We call it HNG, Headnet Gateway. And then after it is aggregated, it will be passed through S1 connection with a single connection to the core network. So unlike the standard architecture that only has two circle, orange circle here, 1 and 2, with this architecture we have 4 circle or 4 node or 4 points to check. Inode B IP address, run aggregator left side or access side IP address, run aggregator right side or core side IP address, and then the IP address of the core network, which is MME. Okay, please focus on the left side of the slide. If you now see your phone having full signal bar, we can assume that everything is okay with the network end to end from the inode B, run aggregator, and core network. Everything is fine, and then you can enjoy signal and the service from the provider. You can do gaming, video streaming, YouTube, social media, and everything when end-to-end network is working properly. Okay, on this setup with parallel wireless equipment, we can run this command to check the status of our network. But first, before we start practicing today, what you need to know is, I will scroll back. Sorry, on standard architecture, you only need to know 1 and 2. IP address of inode B and then IP address of core network. But here, you need to know IP address of 1 inode B, 2 HNG or run aggregator left side, 3 HNG or run aggregator right side, and then the IP address of core network. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 IP address need to be checked. So first, number 1 here, number 2 here, number 3 here, and then number 4. When everything is okay, you can successfully doing ping test from number 2 to number 1, from number 3 to number 4. It means the S1 link is okay. Then we can check when everything is fine. We can run this command, show access node CWS LTE cell over data. Then it will state in service. And this is the ideal network status. But sometimes it happens. You lost your signal, especially when there is no other BTS to cover you. Yeah, it usually happens in rural area, or maybe in some suburban when not only one side is down, maybe 2 or 3. So there is no more BTS to cover you. It will happen to our experience on using the phone. Then you will see you lost the signal. Yeah. So this is an indication that can be seen on the end user side of run function that does not work properly. And in terms of operation and maintenance of run, it could generate complaint from customers. So the business flow will be, customer will send complaint. So like 5 or 10 minutes ago, I lost my signal here. Usually it will be full bar. So it needs to be responded quickly. And then the next point, actually anything happens in between will generate alarm that can be used as a clue to locate the problem. And then on this session, on this training session, we assume that all equipment means inode B, this is integrated radio unit and baseband unit, run aggregator and core network, all this equipment is okay and working fine. No power outage, no hardware damage or everything. All the equipment is just fine. This is our assumption for this training session. So it needs further analyze the problem and to locate the problem, because it will define the handling steps. In a big organization like MNO or mobile network operator, we are working, let's say, on operation and maintenance department. And when we know about the problem, we need to dispatch another department to solve this problem, because we are not the one to solve the problem. But before escalating this problem to other departments, it will be good if we also inform to them on which part it happens. So there is no more misaddressing of issue or problem that wasting time. And then sometimes it is also generate interpersonal conflict, yeah, in a big organization, when you just forward anything to all departments without knowing the exact or at least the location of the problem. It means that you create more junk alarm to them, more load work to them, even though it is the mix of related problem to that department or not. So it is important for us as a OM or operation and maintenance run engineer to locate where is the problem happens and enclose this information to the related department. So, okay, we will start from the very basic understanding. So with current architecture in the lab, we have run aggregator, and we have, let's say, this is left wing and the side wing. The problem can be happen in between, whether on CWS or inode towards inode B, or it can be happens here. So yeah, this is the command line interface we can use. We will need at least 7 commands. Most of the command or the CLI is already we already practiced this on the first and second session. So some of the command is just repetition. Number 1 is view triggered alarm. The command is simple, so alarm list, view inode B service status, CWS, this is circle number 1, view EENB IP address, this is circle number 2, if you remember. And this is for circle number 3, this is for circle number 4. After we know about 1, 2, 3, 4 circles, it means we know the IP address, then we can just simple doing ping test to test the connection and then locate whether the problem is happen on left wing or on the right wing. Okay, I will start on showing my my screen on running the CLI. Okay, I will set up my screen. Anyone who already have the remote access they already gave, please also try. And please don't hesitate to join. Raise your hands if you want to try directly. Okay.
I think we have Joshua.
Hello, hello. Morning, sir, ma'am.
Yeah, Joshua.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, good morning. Do you already try to connect to the VPN connection?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? Is it work?
Yes, sir. Of course. sir.
Okay. Okay, could you please share your screen side by side window, the mobile external on left side and then PowerPoint on the right side, so everybody here can also see the comment.
Wait, sir. Oh, just a moment, sir.
You can just share screen and then choose first window, press control and then second window.
Mm. Do you see my screen, sir, now? Or
Still mobile.
I
You need to resize.
wait, sir.
Take your time.
Here, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. So you already success to log in. No. Do you already get the PowerPoint that I shared?
Wait, sir.
Okay. You can just resize your mobile external windows maybe,
Oh, wait, sir.
so everybody can see side by side.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. I think we are okay with this. And maybe you can resize this one.
The mobile external, sir.
Okay. Okay. First, you need to check the alarm.
Oh.
Okay. What you get?
Oh.
It means the alarm is now clear. Okay. Go to second command, second CLI. Show. Okay. You can use what? Maybe you can use show ACC just tap and it will be autocomplete. CWS WL just tap space data. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Could you explain what is the status now?
According to the output of the command on the CLI,
Yes.
it is on this is based on the state, this in service.
In service.
Yes.
Okay. So everything is green, right?
Yes, sir.
Regarding to the previous slide, and we assume that customer is happy now with the full signal bar on their phone. Okay.
Yes.
Next step. Please inform us the IP address of circle number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4.
May I repeat, sir?
Yeah. Do you remember my slide previously? I have 4 circles, right? The IP address of inode B, circle number 1. The IP address of run aggregator, circle number 2. The IP address of run aggregator towards core network, circle number 3. These 4 points has its own IP address, and you can check the IP address by running command number. Okay, you need to figure out first the IP address.
I have made a copy of the PowerPoint
Oh,
last meeting, but
Tony,
somehow
could you
may I
please
have,
share?
yes.
Okay. For Joshua, which PowerPoint version? This one or the last session?
Yeah, I thought Joshua is get it from screenshot, yeah. But I
Yeah.
already
Anyway,
shared
here's
that.
this.
But it's
I
okay.
also, yeah. If it is for this session, Joshua, I actually gave you the screenshot of these commands. It's on your chat box.
I am
mean,
currently
could
showing.
you please share the PowerPoint, Tony, to Joshua?
Okay.
Or
In
to-
terms of giving PowerPoint, I think Denny still has to get approval from IDG or USAID about it.
Okay, I understand.
You know,
Okay.
the
So
JURA.
Joshua, let me share my screen now to give you a chance to screenshot, yeah?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Done, sir.
Okay. You need to screenshot 2 slides here. This is normal condition. We have 4 circle. Circle number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, done, Joshua? Is it done, Joshua?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. So this is the second.
Huh.
Okay,
Just
so now you share your screen again. Okay, Yusha, you need to check IP address number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. And the command is already on the command list. Yeah,
first is an node B IP address.
yeah, this one. Number 1, 2,
Okay, sir.
number 3.
So first
number 4.
is
Yeah,
show as in
you can type faster by type only few of the letter and then press tab button on your keyboard.
what
Tab.
F, sir? F, sir?
Yeah. No, tab. 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 Tab means upper of the caps lock button. Tab button. Show ACC, and then you can get the result faster rather than to completely typing.
Tab, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes. C, tab, space, oper data. Oper data. Small case, lower case. I mean. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, the IP address is 201.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, just continue.
So number 2 is VNB instance access for
Yes.
S1 address.
Show.
Show running config.
Yeah. Show. Space run. Just tap. Nah, okay, good. Very good. VNB. VNB. Space. Ins. Okay, good. ACC step. ACC tab. Okay, good. Enter. Okay. 151. Circle number 2. Okay.
201 and 151.
Okay,
So-
sorry, Joshua.
Sorry,
For
sir.
the first IP address, you can write down or your PowerPoint and then you can put it here, Joshua. Okay, IP address number 2, you can put it here. IP address number 3, you can put it here. Number 4, you can put it here.
Okay, sir. I'll note.
151.
So I will proceed now, sir, for number 3.
Yeah. Okay, please.
For number 3, command is make show running config.
VNB. Running config VNB. Mistyping. No. Show running config VENB, not ENB.
V. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Instance.
Yeah. 10.0.2.100.
Here's the result, sir, of the fourth part of
Okay. Complete, yeah.
MME
Yeah.
10.2.0. Okay, sir.
Okay. So, okay, could you please show us your PowerPoint?
Here, sir.
Yeah.
Here's the screenshot.
Yeah. So, Joshua, we have run aggregator here, or we call it HNG, HNet Gateway. It has connection towards A node B, and it has connection towards core network. When you run a command to do ping test, it means that if you not stating the source by default, you do ping test from here to the destination. From here to destination.
So from run
From
to
run
inode
aggregator
B
to
and
inode B.
run to MME.
Yes. Yes.
So what will be I'm using
Yeah.
IP address for the first is the second
Okay.
IP address and the first IP address.
Okay.
And the second is the third address and
Correct.
the for
Yeah.
network address. Okay, sir.
Yeah. When everything is okay on both sides, left wing and side wing, it means it can be a continuous line, right? From here to here.
Yes, sir.
But something can be happen whether here or here. Now everything is okay. When everything is okay, please try to ping from run aggregator to the IP address.
So to do that,
Host means destination.
host is destination.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Host is destination.
Yeah.
So network ping and
R. Press R.
okay, sir. According to the ping result, it is responsive.
Okay. Then we can conclude the left
The left wing
is
is
okay.
okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then please ensure the right wing.
Okay, sir. The destination is the coordinate network
Yeah.
10.0.2.2 service. So source. Source is the aggregation is 10.0.2.100. Network ping host 10.0.2.2 and 10.0.2.100.
Yeah.
Yeah. According to the ping test, it is responsive, sir.
Okay. So could you please repeat the first CLI here?
The show alarm, sir. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
First and second CLI. Description. You missed the C, I think. Oh, you missed the R.
Oh, no wonder. No. So no entries found because the left and the right wing is responsive.
Okay.
Is that correct, sir?
Second command line.
So
Sorry, so you actually can also recall your previous comment by pressing up or down arrow button.
okay. Sir. So for easier call.
Yeah, the status is in status. Yeah. So everything is okay, Joshua.
Yes, sir. Everything is went smoothly.
Okay. Now we will start to simulate the problem. I will not tell you whether the problem happens on in left or right side. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Joshua. I will ask my friends, Pak Wirawan. Hello, Pak Wirawan. Hello, Pak Wirawan. You are still.
Yes, hello.
Okay, please simulate case number 1 and please inform us once it's executed. Yeah.
Okay, wait a second.
Okay. So Joshua, please run CLI number 1.
Okay, sir.
So, but without pressing enter press, just finish the CLI without enter press. Without pressing the enter, I mean. So alarm description. Okay, slash. No. Don't push enter. Space.
Space.
Sorry.
May you repeat, sir?
Sorry. Please
Description.
move your. No. Not slash. So alarm list description.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Description. Space.
Space.
Pipe means on your keyboard like this.
Fine.
Pipe signs. Please find your keyboard.
Yes, sir.
Next O P button, then next to button, then you will find this. No, next one. No, next one. By press the shift one, the correct button, but press shift.
Correct. Here, sir.
Okay, good. Space, repeat.
Repeat.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, Padin.
Yes. Okay, Joshua, please scroll your mouse a little bit in your mobile external windows. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you see the show alarm list command is refresh every 5 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Okay, until now still nothing happened here.
Yes, sir.
We will see what happened then.
Yun.
Anything happened, Joshua?
According to the alarm, there seems to be a problem either on the left or the right wing.
Okay. From where you know it is the left or the left wing?
I can check, sir, for
Okay. But first
the...
answer the second CLI command here, Joshua.
Okay, sir.
Control C to stop the repeating command.
Out of service, sir, according to the
Yeah.
state of the...
Okay, now please tell us on which side, whether it is left or right, the problem is happen. Because,
Okay.
sorry, Joshua, what is your background? Do you an engineer or academia?
I'm a electronics engineering graduate.
Okay, let's
So
say.
okay, sir.
Yeah, I just want to give an example. Let's say you are working in operation or in NOC, network operating center. You need to escalate this to the respective department to do troubleshooting, right?
Okay, sir.
So it is important to enclose on your escalation email or message to state on which side the problem is happening. So
Okay, sir.
left side will go to one department, but right wing will go to another department.
Okay, sir.
So please be careful before doing escalation. You cannot blast or broadcast the escalation to both departments without knowing the actual problem, right?
Yes, sir.
This is not good for you and for your department.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So, okay, now, whatever it is, please ensure what is the situation of left wing and side wing first. Then you can conclude and tell us what is the actual problem. Okay, please
Okay,
continue. So, you already have 7 basic commands that you can use. This is your 7 basic command.
Okay, sir. I can use anything, sir.
Anything. The most important is you already get the logic. Correct, Joshua?
Yes, sir.
When you make an escalation, you need to be strong with your argumentation and evidence.
Okay, sir. Okay. So first, I will try to use the last command, the ping test, to check for the ping for the left and the right wing. So, according to here, sir, is the connection between the inode B and the aggregator is not reachable. So, I will try, sir, the connection between the aggregator and the core network. So,
Yeah.
Okay, sir. According to the last CLI command, the problem is on the connection between the aggregator and the inode B.
Confirm.
Here, sir, for the inode B IP address and the run aggregator.
What is the proof?
The proof is the connection between the inode B, the IP address of the inode B and the run aggregator is not reachable.
Okay. Okay. So Joshua, let's say I am an engineer in department A. that receiving your escalation, then I will need your complete explanation, because I will not accept this at the first time. At least I will deny. Maybe the problem is it's not only happens on my department, maybe on department B as well. What will you say on this? Then you need to say that, okay, sir, this is the evidence
Okay.
from a run aggregator to CWS is unreachable, but, and this is the second proof, from run aggregator to the core network is okay. Then it is then definitely the conclusion is the problem on department A that you need to troubleshoot. Like that. So it's not about talking the basic step, because everyone here, I believe, they ever do ping test, right, Joshua?
Yes, sir.
But I mean, the attitude on work as a operation and maintenance engineer, when you are the first line to examine the problem, and then you need another step to escalate. Now, by doing this escalation, you need to be precise on your escalation. This is the point, actually, Joshua.
Yes.
So there is no more debate, no more interpersonal issue. You just give me some working load without being precise on your escalation and everything. So this is the point, actually. So okay, you have one conclusion for case number 1, yeah, Joshua?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you need to make an escalation, then you will make escalation to the department related to left wing, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So hello, Pak Wirawan.
Yeah. Hello, Pak Denny.
Okay. Could you please jump to keep current status, and then jump to
Okay, I understand. I'll do.
number, wait, yeah, number 3. Jump to number 3, case number 3.
Number 3.
Yeah, sorry, Joshua, this is just between me and Pak Wirawan,
Okay,
to
sir.
hide what is the case, because I want you to find the problem.
Okay, sir.
Case number 3 or Oh, okay. Wait a moment.
Hello, Joshua.
Yes, sir.
Could you please run so alarm risk description repeat?
The inter-alarm, sir.
Yeah.
The inter-CLI commands.
Show alarm list description repeat.
Okay, Pak Denny.
Okay, thank you,
Can
Pak
check it.
Wirawan. So
Yes.
Pak Wirawan is our troublemaker.
Hello, sir.
Everything is fine?
I am restarting the waiting for me to connect.
Okay.
Starting the session, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. I will start.
Or you can directly, it's your choice to do it faster. You can directly comment number 7. It's okay then. The purpose is you can conclude immediately whether it is happen on left or right side. VNB. Okay, so my suggestion, Joshua, you already have all the IP address, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can just simply do ping test to the left and right side.
Okay, sir. So, since it's the same. Okay, sir.
Unreachable. Okay, so you can use up and down arrow to repeat your comment.
Okay, sir.
Not only 1, 2, or you can do multiple up and down arrow to find your previous command.
Oh, both left and the right wing, sir.
Okay, please, Joshua, give order to Pak Wirawan.
Sir Yuawan, if I'm correct for the pronunciation, I'd like to escalate the left and the right wing. They are both unresponsive according to my ping test.
Okay, Pak Wirawan, please see my direction in WhatsApp, Pak Wirawan, ya. Okay, Joshua already analyzed both side is down. So he ordered you to rectify this problem. Please do it, Pak Wirawan, and inform us once it's done. So Joshua can verify.
Okay, Mr. Joshua, you can recheck now, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the alarm is not clear yet. How about the connection? By doing network ping test, we can simply press up or down arrow, Joshua.
So,
Ping test, yeah, to verify. Okay.
okay, sir.
It works now?
Yes, sir. For the run aggregator and the core network.
Okay. How about the left wing?
Okay, sir.
What happened?
According to here is the connection between the inode and the run aggregator is not reachable.
Okay, then we can reorder again to Pak Wirawan because he is not finished the job. Pak Wirawan, please Joshua, order Pak Wirawan
As
based on your analysis.
Hi, sir Wirawan. According to my ping test after the rectification, the connection between the inode B and the run aggregator is not reachable.
Okay.
Yeah, so Joshua, don't forget to say thank you for the compliment. Okay, so Pak Wirawan, thank you for doing the troubleshooting, but from here I see only right side it's settled down. So it's
Yes.
part of attitude because we are asking help for someone. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Noted, sir.
Okay, Pak Joshua, wait a second. We'll check the connection. Hello, Pak Joshua.
Yes.
Please recheck.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir Wirawan. Hi, Sir Wirawan. According to the ping test, they are both responsive, but according to the alarm list description, this said that CWS statistics file transfer to HNG failed and LTE cell is down.
Okay.
Thank you, Sir Wirawan.
Okay, thank you, Pak Wirawan. Yeah. Okay, Joshua, based on this, so everything is okay, right?
Yes, sir.
So let us see the alarm
Yes, sir.
by running show alarm description repeat.
Okay, sir.
Repeat, yeah. Yeah. Okay, scroll. Okay, enough. Remember that on previous slide, I show you about LED or light indicator, Joshua.
Yes, sir. The
Yeah.
green and the orange one.
Yeah, somehow the inode B need time to re-establish the connection. That's why we want to monitor based on the alarm here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please run again. Show alarm description to repeat. Okay, scroll. Okay, stop. Just keep it like this. No need to abort. Just keep it like this.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, scroll. Okay, enough. We would like to monitor the alarm, or maybe you can jump to the okay, we just see the alarm first. and be patient. You can have a coffee, maybe. Yeah, it will take about 2-3 minutes to establish. But from the connection, you already make sure that by doing ping test, the physical connection is okay, right?
Yes, sir.
How about to run this?
Okay, sir. I will cancel the.
Okay, the alarm is already reduced, right?
Yes, sir.
This is it. So by doing this, you can see and you can feel the process, and you can relate with the slides about LED indicators.
I will wait, sir, to
So this
settle
is
the.
also give idea to us when you already confirm that by doing ping test, left wing and the right wing ping test is okay. Please wait for a while until everything is clear before saying okay.
Noted, sir.
Yeah. And it requires us also about the product knowledge and characteristic, the product characteristic. Maybe some vendors will have shorter uptime or reestablishment. Maybe some vendors this require us to know about the equipment characteristic. Okay, so meanwhile, how about to run this one?
I will cancel, sir, now.
Yeah.
Show access node GW.
Over
Yes,
data,
okay.
not over date.
Per day. Okay, sir. Ording here, the state is in
Already
service.
in service. Could
Yes,
you please confirm with the alarm clearance?
Alarm, sir.
Ah, what's the conclusion now?
The conclusion, sir, is according to the view node A node B service status, it is in service. And when I use the view triggered alarms due to connection problems, it
Yeah.
is said that no entries found. So it means that there are no alarms
Yes. At this point,
at this point.
we already have 100% analysis and then troubleshooting step and then verification. All is finished, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Everyone can make a mistake by doing conclusion, misanalysis before doing this in 100% uh, uh, analysis and steps. It can happen, and sometimes because we are quote unquote is so reckless on doing our job, it can create, let's say, conflict or unnecessary load to other departments when we talk about big organization, Joshua.
Yes, sir.
So it is very important for us to be prudent, to be careful on doing our job, even this is very basic job, right? At the first stage, you need to ensure whether the problem is happening on left wing or right wing, and then you can address the escalation point, right?
Yes, sir.
And after your peer partner replying, okay, this is done, you cannot take this as a 100% information until you verify, correct?
Yes, sir.
Because when you inform Pak Wirawan, both sides are down. Pak Wirawan said, okay, I will rectify. But by your verification, only right side is okay, right?
Sir.
Okay. What happened with Pak Wirawan, we never know. But you need to come with evidence. Pak Wirawan, thank you for your help. But from my verification, left side is still not up yet. Please do it again. So this is the process. You talk with data, right?
Yes, sir.
And then, okay, Pak Wirawan, do it again for the left side. Pak Wirawan reply, okay, left side already rectified. Then you again check. Okay, Pak Wirawan, everything is okay, left and right. But you cannot close this problem ticket until you verify. Correct, Joshua?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You will wait until the alarm is clear, until the cell status is in service. When everything is okay, verification done, then you can conclude, then you can close the problem ticket. So that's the way O&M engineer works. So that's the point actually. If we talk about the technical things, do you agree, Joshua? This is something very basic, right?
Yes, sir. In
Just
terms
doing
of
ping test, yeah.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Getting information about the IP address, and then you get the network map. Okay, where is network element number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4? What is the IP address of each element? Then you can apply your basic knowledge on this, plus your attitude on works. You do due diligence, you do it carefully, you do verification, you say thank you to your partners, and this is the way we work as an O&M engineers. So that's the point for today. Thank you very much, Joshua, for your participation. I hope the other participants can also try by accessing to this lab in another session. Okay, thank you very much, Joshua.
Thank